Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.